Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a pharmacy website for free on Wix. The first thing you will need to do is create your account on Wix.com. And to do this, all you will need is your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. And you can get started for completely free. Once you're finished creating your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to be redirected to this page. On this page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, right on the search bar, you're going to type in pharmacy. So let's do that real quick. So you're going to select pharmacy, then tap on Next. After selecting Next, you can see Wix is preparing our dashboard. Once our dashboard has been prepared, I'll show you how to add your business name, also how to add your opening hours, and so much more. So you can see right here, this is our dashboard at the moment, and I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. But first, you're going to add your business name right here, so you can do that. Then you'll tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. And if this is your first time creating a website, you can tap on No, I'm just starting out. Then from here, more than likely, you are going to be selling physical products. So you can tap right there. And if it is a case that you also offer services, you can select services also. Then you're going to tap on Next once more. Then will you be accepting payments online? If that is the case, you can tick this box. And if you will be accepting payments in person, you can select this box also. Then tap on Next. Then you are going to select Continue to Dashboard. So you can see it is now preparing our dashboard. Once our dashboard has been prepared, I'll be showing you how to add products to your website. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, right where you see Store Products, and you're going to tap on Products. After selecting Products, you'll be redirected to the product page. So let's select Store Products right here, and you can see we are now on the product page. Once on the product page, you'll tap on New Product in the top right-hand corner. Then from there, you can select Physical Product. After selecting Physical Product, you'll now be able to create your listing. So for example, you could tap right here on Add Images. After selecting Add Images, a pop-up is going to appear. And from here, you could tap on Upload Media, and you could upload an image of the products that you will be selling. So let's say, for example, I were to type in medication right here. And this is a platform that allows you to also access copyright-free images. As you can see right here, Wix provides copyright-free images. So let's say I wanted to use this one. I would tap on Add to Page. Then after you have selected Add to Page, you could scroll down. You could add the product title. So Test Product. Then you can also add a quick description in this box. After adding the description, if there's any further information you'd like to share, for example, instruction on how to use it, you can tap on Add Info section. Then you're going to tap where the price is, and from there you could add the price. After you have added the price, you can scroll down, and you could also add the cost that you purchased the medication for, so you'll be able to track your profit margin. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner to save the changes that you have made. And you can continue doing this to the different products that you will add to your store. And by the way, to remove the sample products that were added by Wix, you'll simply tap on the box right here to select all products. Then you will untick the product that you have created. Then tap on More Actions, and you're going to select Delete. After selecting Delete, you'll tap on Delete once more, and you can see that the sample products have now been removed. And another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on booking services. After selecting booking services, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see right here, you can see some typical services that Wix assumes is offered by pharmacy. So you can see them right there. So for example, if you offer consultation, virtual therapy, or any one of these, you can simply select the service that you offer. If it is a case that you don't see a service that you offer, you could tap on Start from Scratch. After selecting Start from Scratch, you'll be able to create the service that you would like to offer. So you can add a cover image, the service name, and by scrolling down, you can add a quick description. You can also add the duration of the service, and then you can add the price right here, and then select Save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. And you can continue doing that and adding numerous services. After you're finished adding the services that you offer, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see billing and payment, you're going to hover over that and you're going to select payments. After selecting payments, you'll be redirected to this dashboard and you're going to tap on Manage Payment Methods. And these are simply the different payment options that you will be offering your customers. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment methods that you can connect. So for example, you could tap on Connect PayPal and then you would enter your PayPal information. So from now on, when a client comes onto your website, better yet, he or she will be able to pay via PayPal. You can also connect TiloPay. And if I were to change the location by tapping on the current location in the top right hand corner, let's say for example I were to change it to Canada, just to show you that the payment options vary depending on the country you are in. You can see right here I am now able to connect Wix payment option, and by tapping on See More payment option in the bottom left hand corner, I'll also be able to connect AAA, Afterpay, Klarna, and so much more, as you can see right there. So it varies depending on the country you're in. After doing that, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Set Up. After selecting Set Up, you're going to tap on Design Site, and from here you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can see that Wix provides us with numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking. But for this tutorial, I'll be using this one. So all you'll need to do is tap on Edit. Once on this page, you could tap in the box right here and provide some information. Then tap on Generate Site Text, and the Wix AI would compose content that can be added to your website. Or you can simply tap on the X to close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After selecting the plus 50%, this is how our website looks at the moment. And to start editing it, all you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to change, then tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. After selecting Quick Edit, you can tap on any section that you would like to edit. So for example, if you want to edit the text, you could tap right there, and from there you'll be able to edit the announcement bar. And by scrolling down, you can also change the background if you want. And if you want to edit this section of the page, you can simply tap right there. You can change the background image, you can change the strip background color, you can also change the text section, as you can see right there. And it is as easy as that to edit any section on your Wix website. And you can scroll down and continue making your changes, and you can see the product that we have created earlier right there. And to view all pages that are currently on your website, you will tap on Home in the top left hand corner. Then let's say for example we wanted to edit the About page. We could select About right there. After you have selected about, this is our about page at the moment, and the concept remains the same. To edit it, all you have to do is hover over the section you'd like to edit, or you can double tap the section. Then from there you can start editing the text. If it is a case that you want to change the image, you can double tap on the image. Then you will see the option manage columns or change column background. And if it is a case that you would like to add text or image to a section that you don't see it, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements. Then from there you can drag and drop the element that you would like to add. For example, if it is an image you would like to add, you can drag and drop image. If it is a button, anything at all that you would like to add to your website, you will find it in this section. And that's it. Once you're finished editing your website and it is to your liking, you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on publish and your website will now be live. For example, if I were to select preview, this is how our about page looks at the moment. And if I were to tap on home right here, this is how the landing page or the first page on our website looks, as you can see here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.